Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to Krabs Trades. Today we're working on this back testing. So far we're up about 1.7%, risking 0.5%. As you can see, here is the PM session journal and here's the AM session journal. So yeah, let's get into it. And yeah, I'm taking like A and A plus setups pretty much only. So we're going to be back testing all of 2022, all of 2023, all of 2024, and just gathering a ton of data on my new model I'm using and getting down market experience. So here we got a daily fair value gap. Doing top-down analysis right now. Marking out significant PD arrays. It looks like we held this daily gap here. Let's see the weekly. We're also inside of a weekly. I'm pretty bullish here. We reacted off this weekly gap. So higher time frame bias is bullish based on that. But 4 hour here, also very bullish, inverse to the upside. Could react off this 4 hour here. But if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to like 500 subs. Really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. But yeah, looks like we got some low resistance liquidity up here. Also got a 4 hour gap here I'm gonna mark up. See what ES is doing, higher time frame. Looks like we're gonna have a big SMT, big bullish SMT if ES can take out this low here. Or actually, never mind. I was zoomed in too much. Looks like we're pretty correlated. We have an SMT right now. NQ took that low. So yeah, let's see if there's any significant gaps. Session highs or lows. We got London high up here. Oh, and also we do have 10 a.m. news. We have Powell speaking, so we might wait until 10 if there's like nothing super A plus. Yeah, so right now I want to see us retrace a little bit deeper. Maybe something like this. Let's see the 15-minute. Actually, we just took out this low. Check out this low here. Bullish SMT right now. $15-minute unfilled gap above. Could be using this as a target later, possibly. So got another one up here. But yeah, most likely since Powell's speaking, I'm not gonna take a trade before unless there's like something super A plus. See, this right here is SMT. 5 minute, 1 minute. Alright, so let's see what market open does. See how we open. Alright, nice. Opening up down. And are we tapping into anything? We're in this 4 hour right now. I am pretty bullish. SMT didn't hold. Yes, took the low as well. In this hourly as well. See, I'm pretty bullish here. Got London highs above. We took out London low, which was this right here. Let's see where Asia low's at, I believe over here. Yeah, so Asia low also taken out. So I'm very bullish. See if we can get some structure formed, maybe tap into this equilibrium of the higher time frame range, the hourly range, and then get a move up off of that. Especially if we sweep out this low down here. Yeah, let's see what price does. There is this gap here. Let's see. I think I might try this because we have so many gaps above. But let's just see if looks like there's a 4 minute here. And right now I do want some more structure, like if we could take out this low and then continue up, that would be cleaner. Also, we're in a 15 minutes, so there is this 4 minute in the way, so I can't take this 1 minute gap here because we're so close to this 4 minute fair value gap. But yeah, let's see if we can make some more structure. Let's see, do we have any equal highs, equal lows? Equal highs here would be very nice. But we do have all this low resistance liquidity. Could want to see this get ran. Yeah, higher time frame, low resistance liquidity as well. Yeah, so if I did take this, I would have gone break even at this 4 minute and maybe it would have been 1-1. Secured partial and then runner break even. But yeah, I want to wait for something a little bit cleaner. Take out that low, and now I would like a long up. Feel like that would be a lot cleaner. We got 3 minute here. So Most likely I'll be taking this 3 minute, but 4 minutes still holding. Let's see, when's 4 minute close? 52. Yeah, so we would close below that 4 minute as well. So yeah, and Powell speaking in like 9 minutes, so I would just wait here. That would have stopped out. If you would have went long off the 2 minute, it tapped right into a 4 minute, which held right here, and then would have stopped you out. But yeah, let's wait till 10 a.m. now. Still in discount here on the 15 minute leg. Inside this 1 hour. So honestly, I could also see shorts play out since we are inside of a hourly gap. We got equal highs here. If we could take out these equal highs, ideally. We also got some LRL below. If we could do, looks like this 5 minute gap's being held. 15 minute inversed up. Could try this 2 minute up to the equal highs here. Since we're delivering off a 5 minute, we took liquidity below this low. See what ES is doing. See if we get this inversion up. This just looks pretty free to the equal highs. Alright, this looks even better now. We took sell side. But we're delivering off 15 minute and hourly, so shorts do still look better. I want to see like something like this, maybe down to this low resistance liquidity here. But yeah, let's see if we could take these highs. So no entry there for AM. Equal highs got taken later. So yeah, no A plus entries in AM here. Just nothing super obvious, so no need to place a trade if there's not an A plus model. And also Powell was speaking, so skip over to PM. Looks like I'm pretty bullish. Higher time frame, reacting off its weekly gap. This one as well, pretty bullish. Unfilled daily here. Took out liquidity, higher time frame. Four-hour gaps holding bullish. I think drawn liquidity is pretty clear here. This high right here. And this unfilled daily fair value gap. Got a bunch of low resistance liquidity here on the higher time frame as well. So yeah, I think draw is pretty clear that we're bullish. Got an hourly gap here. Ideally, I would want to see this, but it's kind of a reach. Just really depends on how market opens up. But yeah, let's see how market open is. We got a ton of low resistance liquidity here, so expecting this to get ran as well as here. I think if we could open up down, that would be very clean. Alright, nice. Respecting this unfilled 15. Or now it got filled. That's what I meant to say. See if we got any equal highs or equal lows. No equal lows, I see. We do have equal highs. If we could leave these, could be some very clean longs. See if there's any more. those got taken. $5-minute. Looks like we're delivering off this 15-minute. Looks like we just tapped into it, I believe. Let's see. Or did we miss it? Yeah, it looks like we didn't tap into it, but we did tap into this hourly. In a discount. 15 right here though. So with that 15-minute gap like right here, it's hard to long this 5-minute inversion. So not gonna do that. $1 p.m. opened up lower here. Let's see if we take out the sell side, or buy side I meant. Could possibly have shorts play out, but I'm more bullish. Do we have equal lows? We do not. Also got 5-minute gap here. That's holding. We are holding this 15-minute though right now. Took out sell side. We got another unfilled 15. I'm thinking about trying a short down to this unfilled 15, but let's see if risk to reward is worth it here. This would be a 1 minute. It's just I like to sweep a lot. It's just it would only be a 101, so it is in premium as well. Took internal. Delivery is we're holding a 15-minute. I think I'm gonna try it. I think we could get at least to this unfilled 15-minute. If we had equal lows, I would leave a pretty big runner, but not super bearish. But I think short term, this could play out for a quick scalp down to this unfilled 15-minute gap in equilibrium. Yeah, in premium. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this scalp right here. Just make sure that this is highest time frame gap in the leg. Yes, it is. And we're gonna break even at this 5-minute gap. So I'm gonna set my auto break even 0.57R. If it lets me. 0.57. And let's see. Alright, so we're risk free now. Let's see if we can survive down to that unfilled 15-minute. And yeah, break even. But it was worth a shot. We took out internal. We were holding this 15-minute gap. We had a unfilled 15-minute below. But yeah, good break even. Now this could reverse and hit stop since we hit that 5-minute gap right here. But yeah, let's see if this was a good break even or not. I think we could still want to rebalance that 15-minute, but yeah, good break even. Wouldn't want to be holding this. Just very choppy price action. Yeah, but there's that unfilled 15-minute rebalance. Would have survived here, but I would not want to be holding through all this chop. So yeah, that's the trade. Delivery off of that 15-minute break even. No SMT or anything. Just very choppy PA though. So 2 o'clock candle right here. I'll take that break even though. I wasn't super bearish, but this was just a very mechanical model. I'll give it like an A setup. It would have been more A plus if I was more bearish, but higher time frame I was pretty bullish, so yeah. But we did rebalance this unfilled 15-minute, which is nice to see after we took out liquidity. Just very mechanical. Entry 1 minute short. Didn't follow bias. Bullish Tuesday. Entry time was, I believe this is like 149. But yeah, let's see if we can catch anything in the silver bullet in the 2 to 3 macro. Or not macro, like 2 to 3, like kill zone. Let's say psychology. Amazing. I'm gonna put good management because if this would have lost, I would have been mad if I didn't go to break even after we tapped this 5-minute fair value gap. So great break even spot right there. Yeah, good trade management. Throw that in there. Yeah, so far PM session is carrying right now. AM session getting like no trades so far. No A plus models, so not forcing anything in AM if there aren't any A plus models. But yeah, this I'm gonna mark as break even. Let's see if we can catch a long now. 2 p.m. here. Open low. open low, high close. So opening up lower, I'm expecting us to close higher. In this hourly candle, we made this big bottom wick. Tapped into this 15-minute as well, tapped into discount. Longs here actually look pretty A plus if we get some. In higher time frame, I am bullish because drawn liquidity I think is this low resistance liquidity here on the 1 hour time frame. And yeah, let's see if ES is doing anything. Actually, I'm gonna mark this up on ES as well, just in case ES hits it first. I wanna make sure that I know. Pretty far away, but alright, so higher time frame though, we're still in premium. But lower time frame, 5-minute tapped into discount. I am very bullish, so longs here look pretty good to me. Got this 1 minute here. Actually, let me just leave this here. Stop here was like 20 points, I think. Or was it 15? But yeah, 2 p.m. open, low, high close. I'm expecting us to continue back up. This would be pretty A plus long if I get this 1 minute inverse. So let's see. It's like now it's a 2 minute. Also a 3 minute. Oh, never mind. Not a 3 minute, but oh, actually, yeah, we got 3 minute up here now. See, I'll take this 3 minute if I can get it. 1 minute held though. Alright, now 1 minute inverse. Let's see if I can get this 3 minute. I'll rip it. Three minute held. Alright. 1 minute inverse. But now I don't like that we're building up this like LRL here. Low resistance liquidity now. Trendline liquidity, whatever you want to call it. Let's see what ES is doing. ES is doing the same thing. If we had like equal highs, that would make this super perfect, but yeah, let's see. Still just that 3 minute. I like this delivery off this 15 minute, and we also took out all this liquidity. So this 3 minute would be clean. And now if we respect this 1 minute and then inverse the 3 minute, yeah, nice reaction off that 1 minute. We can inverse the 3 now. Or not. Actually, this kind of looks even better. This is a 4-minute. Now we took out more liquidity. See how the hour closed. 15. Yeah, more rejection. Took out more liquidity here. I actually like this a lot more. We took out this low resistance liquidity now. So now longs off this look very clean to me. See what time this closes at. 4-minute. Closes at 40. See if we get it. Now this 3-minute 42. This is tough because now we took out all this internal, so it's like not really valid. See, 3-minute closes at 42. Close would be right here. And we're also, oh, this 15-minute inverse to the upside, so that's pretty bullish. Delivery off of this 15-minute. But yeah, now I'm not the biggest fan of this now though, because we took out this internal and we don't have like a clear target up here. Maybe we'll try it on the retest, but this wouldn't be like a A+ setup since we took out this internal. So yeah, I'm not gonna take this, but I'm gonna just line it up how I would have had it stop. Yeah, so this wouldn't even like be worth it, but break even would be like here. So I'm not taking this, but I just want to see if it plays out, because we took out all this internal, so not really valid to me. If we had like equal highs, I would probably take it, but no equal highs, no like clear target here. I'm not gonna take it, so let's see if we even get it. So this would have been the entry. I'm not in this though because I don't like it. We're in the premium right now. Took out this internal on the close, so that is like invalidating it based on my rules. But yeah, here would have been break even. Yeah, let's see. Alright, nice. So trade played out, but it didn't follow my rules, so I didn't take it. But if we didn't take out all this internal liquidity here on the close, I probably would have taken it. But yeah, PM, let's see, almost 3. Yeah, so that's the end of PM, just one break even. I don't think I would have taken this 3-minute, especially with that closure we had. Swept out all this internal liquidity, so realistically wouldn't take it, but yeah, skip over to AM now. Got 8:30 news. Nice. It's just a setup like that isn't something that I would want to like risk capital on. If it's not like A+, I don't really want to take it. But yeah, nice to see it played out, but no foam or anything because it didn't follow my rules. Took out this internal high on the close. Could have easily came back down, but I think it worked because we took out this liquidity first and delivered off this 15 minutes. So yeah, just didn't follow my rules. So that's why I didn't take it. Let's go to AM. In this like whole back testing, it's like I'm following all my rules. So I can see the statistics of like when I follow my rules and the results that it brings over like a year or 2 years of time. So yeah, here's the next day. Let's see, weekly I'm pretty bullish. Pretty bullish here. Held this weekly gap. Daily, we're inside of a daily gap. Took out this liquidity, the sell side. Leaning more bullish, but shorts could work here since we're in this daily gap. We could possibly react off this. But yeah, let's see what the lower time frames are telling us. 4 hour. Let's check ES as well. Hour up here, we got a gap. But yeah, leaning more bearish kinda. But yeah, I'll play this either way, like mixed bias right now, because we're in this daily gap, but higher time frame more bullish. One hour gap here. Got a higher time frame order block. This is just a very obvious one, so I'm gonna just mark it up. I don't normally mark them up, but it's something like this obvious, like an hourly one like that, I'm gonna just keep it in mind. But yeah, here is the hourly leg. Actually, let me do this one here. So if we could retrace back down into discount, longs would be clean. Got a 15-minute gap here. Could possibly get some longs off of even here, but yeah, we're just gonna see what market open does first. And yeah, ES looks pretty correlated right now. Do have an unfilled 15-minute below. It's 5-minute held bearish. took out liquidity right now. Alright, so what do I want to see right now? Ooh, SMT right now. 9:30 a.m. SMT. Alright, so what I want to see, I want to see us tap into discount. Maybe we could get a long off of here, something like this. But I want to see us trade a little bit lower before longing, because we are pretty premiumed right now. Market open. Even shorts here would be clean. This is just a crazy candle. Is there any... Ooh, I did not see this. Got this data low down here because we had 8:30 a.m. news. So that's a nice target. Data low, which is basically a news low. Right there. So this would be like the 9:30 a.m. Judas. Accumulation, manipulation here, inversion, AMD type of model as well. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. So let's see when this 2-minute closes. 36. We could try this 2-minute. Down to this data low. I'm gonna try this because I really like the risk on it, but actually we got 15-minute there. Kind of in the way. So yeah, I'm not gonna take that. It's 15-minute right there. But it could play out, so this 15-minute really messed me up. Yeah, so reacted off that 15-minute. Clean up my chart a little bit. So yeah, good thing I saw that, because that wouldn't be good. I swear on FXREPLAY, I don't see any equal highs or lows. I feel like they don't show it correctly. But yeah, let's see what price wants to do. We still got a lot of time in this session. Playing inside that 15-minute gap. Let's see what time does this close. 10 a.m. Looks like it's pretty obvious we're going down to this data low now. $15-minute gap held though. If we can sweep out this high and get some shorts, it'll be pretty clean. Still in premium. I want to see this data low taken though. It's just a very good liquidity pool. Alright, nice liquidity taken. Now if I could get a short, definitely smack a short right now. Yeah, I'll take this 5-minute if I get it. I'll take it all the way down to this data low. Let's see if market will give us a 5-minute inversion or not. Bad market. Yeah, no inversion, but let's see. Ooh, we might get it now. This short would just be like very good risk. We're in premium as well, all the way down to this data low, which data low is the news low here at 8:30. So you can see we had CPI. So yeah. And I believe ES did not take it either. Yeah, ES didn't take it either. We'll mark it up. Alright, and right now we also have SMT. Wait, no we don't. I thought we did, but yeah, no SMT, but yeah, let's see if we can get this 5-minute short here. This candle closes in like 3 minutes. Yeah, that's not closing below. Now I kind of want to see us sweep the highs again. But yeah, I'd still take this 5-minute if I get it. Just because it would be very clean. Alright, so I think I'm gonna take it. We did take out this internal there. We're delivering off 1 hour. Let me refresh. Delivering off 4 hour daily as well. Data low below. We're high up in premium. -minute gap, this one right here, but I have high confidence in this getting hit. Data low below, unfilled 15-minute gap below as well. Do we have equal lows? That'll make this even better. Are these equal? Let's see. If these are equal, this would be super A+. Yeah, no equal lows, but we don't need it. But yeah, I'm gonna smack this short. I think I'm gonna just take it on the close right now. It's 5-minute inverse. This could also possibly be a breaker. High, low, higher high. If we can make a lower low, breaker, continue back down. But yeah, I just really like the risk on this. Down to this data low. So we're gonna try it. Nice push. I'm not gonna break even just yet because this is too close to my entry. But when we get right here, I'll be break even. And I'm gonna close a partial there. And there we go. Stop to break even. I'm gonna secure 50% of my position here at 1.37R. at 1.37 hours, secured 50% partial. And runner is going to be to data low. I think I might close another partial like around here, equilibrium of the range. And we're about to tap into this 15-minute, but with this data low below, I think we could definitely see it get hit. Also, let's see, how did 10 a.m. open? 10 a.m. opened up higher. A.m. open high, low, close. Right now 10:30 opened up lower, but we already have an hourly wick that also took out liquidity, so yeah, I have pretty high confidence in this. And my next partial is this sell side liquidity right here, which is also equilibrium of the higher time frame range, the hourly leg. And let's see, where's equilibrium here? Tapped into it already, but yeah. 3R. Next partial will be right there. Yeah, so took out that low, I believe, and tapped into equilibrium. So just tapped it. It didn't run through it yet, but I would have just secured my partial because we're already so deep down into discount. So I'm gonna close another 50% right there. And then runner down to that data low for full TP. One closed. If you're wondering how I could take partials like this, it's because I trade MNQ, so I enter in with like a bunch of contracts, so I can scale in and out of positions easily, and I can take like partials like this at certain levels. 3R closed, another 50% partial. Alright, and we got like $600 running. 2 data lows. See, 5-minute gap right here, could bounce off this, but now I would say it's like very high probability we run to this data low. And ES already took the data low, so I actually didn't see that before, but let's take our profit once NQ runs it. And boom, banger trade 1 to 4R. Very clean trade right there. Nice way to end this backtesting session. Closed full runner 1 to 4R at data low. So yeah, banger trade there to wrap up this backtesting session. Was a little bit boring at the start because we had like no trades, I think, in AM and break even. But yeah, banger trade here. Secured net profit of, let's see, 1800, 1900 on this. So yeah, let's throw this into the journal. Was this AM? Alright, finally we got a good AM trade in here. 10:26 AM. 10:26 a.m. We had like no AM trades before this. And percentage wise, this would be, let's see, I'm gonna just round this. I think it would be like 1.5% profit. This would be like 1.3%. Maybe 1.2%. Let's see. Yeah, 1.2% profit from risking only 0.50%. So yeah. I just want to make sure that this is set on, alright, perfect initial balance. So I'm only risking $7.50 per trade. Alright, nice. So yeah, let's throw this into the screenshot. Now this backtesting right here, all this data, what this is about to show me, it's about to show me how important patience is in trading. And when I only take like A+ models, this is technically called a one setup for life. One of dodgy setups because it is data lows. But yeah, pretty much what this backtesting is showing me is the importance of just waiting for the good setups. And this 5-minute, did it retest? It did not. So if you had a limit right on the entry at the 5-minute, you wouldn't have an entry. But this was a good enough close that I just entered off the rip. 30-point stop here. The reason I didn't need to see this liquidity swept above here was because we took out this internal level. And yeah, 10 a.m. opened up higher, made that hourly top wick here. That hourly top wick also swept this high. Yeah, then got 5-minute inversion to the downside, entered off the rip. I didn't move to break even at this internal just because it was so close. This is what some people call a dodgy break even. When you dodgy, or if I can speak, it's when you like break even this close to entry. It's like pretty high probability you could just wick back down and then continue down. So here, I mean, if you break even right here, or if I did, it still would have played out. But I just had really high confidence in this data low hitting. And let's see if this 15-minute hits as well. If it does, that's like a reach for sure. But yeah, 15-minute won't get hit. But oh, there it is. So there was another runner, 1 to 5, but that's just getting greedy at that point when my main target was right here. So I'll never really hold a runner that low. And the 1 to 4 R is way more than enough for me. But yeah. Let's see what else is there to go over. I'm gonna go over why I took my partials here. Right here, obvious sell side liquidity. I was up about 1.3 R. Secured a partial because we don't know if we're gonna reverse at this 15-minute gap here. Like, yeah, I have conviction in these data lows, but I want to pay myself and make sure I secure profits from this trade and then move stop to break even to manage my risk. But yeah, next partial was this sell side, obvious sell side level there. Just gotta make sure to pay the trader, and yeah, 3R was there, closed another 50%. And then final runner was to my full TP at this data low. And ES did take the data low before NQ, but I already took my partial, so I was just holding it until NQ took it as well. But yeah, that's that trade. And let's journal this. Net P&L was like, I think I said before, like 1.2% or something. Yeah, 1.2%. Stop size was like 30 points. I had a bit looser of a stop because this was a 5-minute entry just off the rip, no retest or anything. And this was also a breaker, high, low, higher, high, lower, low. So we could have tapped into this breaker block right here before continuing back down. This was also a unicorn setup because there was a fair value gap inside of the breaker as well. So I had a little bit looser of a stop in case price wanted to chop up a little bit there. But yeah, great trade, good risk on this. RR, net RR was like 1800. A little bit over 2R. Yeah, 2.5R, nice. $2.5R in net profit after taking like partials and stuff like that. Yeah, confirmations was internal sweep. We had delivery from, I believe it was like a 1 hour or 4 hour fair value gap, 1 hour daily as well. So I'm gonna just put like daily and 1 hour / 4 hours / daily fair value gap. Data low below. Data lows below. We also had 5-minute inverse entry off the closure. No retest entry here because good close. So the reason I didn't enter off like a retest of the 5-minute was because it was just a good 5-minute candle closure. Like if the 5-minute would have closed like down here, then yeah, I would wait for a retest to get way better risk. But here it was fine just taking it off the rip. But yeah, finally an AM session trade. Psychology here was amazing. I really like how I managed this trade, how I took my partials, all that. And yeah, this was, what day was this? Wednesday. 8:30 news. Alright, so that is it for this session. Thank you guys for watching. And until next time, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. It really helps me trying to get to my goals. I'm trying to hit 500 subs on YouTube. And yeah, backtesting right now is going great. We're taking A and A plus models, and it's just going to show me that in the end, taking the A plus, taking the A setups is what's going to give the best results. So far, only have 1 loss, and that loss was a good loss. It was a valid setup. And yeah, equal lows, unfilled 5-minute, very mechanical, internal take-in, delivery off PD array and premium. It's a good loss there. Like 9 out of 10 times that would hit. But yeah, let's go over these analytics real quick. Up 3%, risking 0.5%, so about like 6R right now. But yeah, 7 total trades right now, 1 break even. RR right now is actually really good. But yeah, we're gonna make sure that we try and stay consistent with this, taking the A+ setups, making sure my backtesting psychology is good. I'm not just taking like random setups. But yeah, no losing days yet. That day that we took the L, we ended up taking another trade after that. Actually paid for it, so that was a pretty big trade too. But should have closed most equal lows. Yeah, it was kind of a reach leaving this runner down here. Like most of my position should have been taken around equal lows, but yeah, that's whatever. Would have been a bigger win, but that's why we backtest. That's why we study this. And yeah, actually I forgot to put in entry confirmations for this, but here it looks like we had internal liquidity raid. We had a 1-minute inversion, unfilled 5-minute, unfilled 15-minute below. We were in premium, and yeah, went break even at a 5-minute fair value gap. I'm gonna put good PE. I wouldn't. Good break even. I wouldn't want to hold through all that choppy price action there. And yeah, that's good. But yeah, that's it for this session. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you made it all the way to the end, you actually watched all this, and comment crabs right now. And we're gonna see who the OGs are, who made it all the way to the end. But yeah, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, peace.